How to add friends on Minecraft Mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add friends on Minecraft Mobile. If you haven't signed up yet, make a Microsoft account for crossplay. Xbox users will have an account automatically. Console players also require a subscription such as Xbox Live or Nintendo Switch Online. After you've created your Microsoft account, launch Minecraft and click Sign in with a Microsoft account. Then follow the instructions to sign in and link your Microsoft account to the game. After that, select an existing world or create a new one and launch your game. Once you have loaded into the world, open the in-game settings menu. Next, navigate to the far right and select the Invite to the Game option. On the next screen, choose the option to find cross-platform friends. After that, find your friend using their Minecraft ID or gamer tag. Next, select the Add Friend option. You can also use this screen to block or report them if you have had a bad experience. You can also use the Xbox One app to add friends, regardless of the platform, if typing complex gamer tags on your console controller is inconvenient. After that, check the box to select a friend and click on Send One Invite. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.